You're listening to the Voice of Knowledge podcast, where knowledge finds its own voice and speaks for its true value. But it's through real, everyday actions that you can bring knowledge to life. So tune in to learn, to create new value, and to share knowledge with others. In this special mini-series, we'll be exploring the journey to mastering human-AI collaboration. Over 5 episodes, I'll share key insights, real stories, and practical lessons from my own learning and practice. Whether you're an SME business owner, an HR professional, a manager, a lifelong learner, or simply curious about the future of work and AI, this series invites you to discover new ways to collaborate with AI. Let's embark on this journey together. Today, I want to introduce a powerful prompting technique that unlocks the real power of AI in business: chain of thought prompting. Have you ever felt that when you ask AI to solve a business problem, the answers seem shallow or you're just not getting practical solutions? For many SMEs business leaders, that's the reality. AI often gives quick replies, but rarely thinks with you step by step. That's exactly the challenge I faced when building FlexCore. Instead of simply instructing AI to do a task, I began using chain of thought prompting, a method where you lead AI through each step of problem solving, much like you would with a real teammate. This approach transformed the way AI collaborated with my team. Not only did it clarify our thinking, it also empowered AI to reason, analyze, and co-create solutions with us. So, what is CoT prompting? Rather than issuing direct orders, you prompt AI to think through a chain of steps. Step 1. Identify the problem based on real data. Step 2. Analyze the root causes in depth. Look beneath the surface. Avoid superficial explanations. Step 3. Propose concrete solutions tailored to each specific issue. Step 4. Consider the strengths and weaknesses of each option as well as the necessary success conditions. Step 5. Develop a clear action plan, assign responsibilities, and define measurable outcomes. With CoT, you're not just telling AI what to do, but how to think through it, turning AI into a true thinking partner. So, why does this matter for SMEs? Because with chain of thought prompting, you make sure no critical factors get overlooked. It encourages both you and AI to think out loud, making the whole process of analysis open, transparent, and easy for anyone on your team to review or challenge. And most importantly, it reduces the risk of shallow, surface-level answers, so you're far more likely to get solutions that are clear, practical, and ready to put into action. So, how can you actually apply chain of thought prompting across your SME? Let me break it down into 3 practical scenarios. For leaders, strategic analysis. Here's a real scenario. It's the beginning of Q2. Sales have plateaued and several projects have stalled, but the team isn't sure which issues are most critical. Step 1. AI. Given our flat sales figures and feedback from last quarter's project reviews, help me identify the top 3 business challenges we need to address this quarter. Step 2. For each of these challenges, analyze the root causes in detail, using both our internal data and recent feedback from team members. Step 3. Based on those root causes, suggest several practical strategy options or solutions for each challenge. Step 4. Evaluate the pros, cons, and required success conditions for each proposed strategy, considering our current resources and any risks you can foresee. Step 5. Select the most feasible strategy for each challenge and outline a step-by-step implementation plan, including key milestones, owners, and measures of success. Action checklist for leader team. Build a chain of thought template for strategic meetings so your leadership team and AI can work through challenges systematically. And for operations, improving processes. Here's a real scenario. Our delivery team has seen a 15% increase in late shipments this month, and customer complaints have doubled. Step 1. AI. Using our delivery logs and customer feedback data from this month, list the main bottlenecks causing late shipments. Step 2. For each bottleneck, analyze the underlying root causes, referencing recent changes in our delivery process, staffing, or vendor issues. Step 3. For every identified cause, propose specific improvement ideas or corrective actions that could address these pain points. Step 4. Evaluate the advantages, disadvantages, costs, and potential risks of each proposed action, considering our current resources and operational constraints. Step 5. Develop a phased action plan to pilot and implement the most promising improvements, assign responsibilities, and define clear metrics for tracking results. Action checklist for operation team. Train your team on step-by-step prompts so they can continuously improve workflows with AI as a thinking partner. For innovation, hackathons, AI mentoring, and learning pathways. Here's a real scenario. We want to organize a hackathon, but after our last attempt, participation was low and the ideas didn't move forward. The team needs a fresh approach that fits our digital transformation goals. Step 1. AI. Considering our low participation and the need to drive digital skills, suggest 3 innovation topics for our next hackathon that align with our transformation strategy. Step 2. For each suggested topic, outline a step-by-step plan for organizing the hackathon, from recruitment and team formation to mentoring and final presentations. Step 3. Identify likely barriers or challenges at each stage of the hackathon process, such as team engagement, skill gaps, or resource limitations. Step 4. Recommend targeted solutions or support mechanisms to overcome these barriers, for example, incentives, onboarding sessions, or AI-driven mentoring. Step 5. Set clear criteria for measuring success and propose a system for tracking outcomes and sharing the best ideas across the company to maximize learning and impact. Action checklist for innovation team. Make chain-of-thought review and sharing a habit after every innovation project to spread best practices and lessons learned. Ultimately, chain-of-thought prompting isn't just a way to ask AI better questions. It's a tool for building system thinking and creative teamwork across your business. Start today with small steps. Define a problem, break it down, prompt AI to analyze, and co-create. Before long, you'll find AI is no longer just a support tool, it's your strategic teammate. Want to go deeper? Join us in the next session where we'll explore even more ways to turn AI into a core driver of SME innovation.